Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you erase in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here at pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr, where we can get started with logging into your account. So to be able to use the image editor and erasing, we need to go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page, and now we can open up the AI photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the editor right here. As you can see, it's going to open up this new page where we can get started with selecting the image that we want to use and edit and to erase from. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the image. I already have one right here, and let's say now this is my image right here, and I want to get started with erasing either the main object or the background or whatever we might want to erase. So basically guys, what we want to do for the erase effect is you'll be able to find it right here. So we have two ways to erase something. We can either go into drawing, and then we can go ahead and use the eraser tool right here. So as you can see, we have the eraser tool that you can get started with dragging, and as you can see, it's going to erase it from the image directly. But if you do not want to do it this way, what you can do is use let's go back. What you can do is use the cutout option. So here at the left side of the screen, find the cutout option, and now you can get started with cutting out. So as you can see, we have the AI cutout option. You can select whatever you want to cut out from the image, and then select that you want to erase it, and after that you'll be able to successfully erase it from the image. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.